Ready. Start. Dated this the 26th day of April 2021, the petitioner, a registered private limited company which has entered into Exhibit P3 bilateral agreement and Exhibit P6 supplemental agreement with the third respondent is aggrieved by the termination of those agreements by the third respondent. The petitioner states that the petitioner company entered into Exhibit P3 agreement with the third respondent for construction of the flagship project of Cochin Cancer Research Center, Ernakulam. The project is funded by the second respondent, Kerala State Infrastructural Investment Fund Board in bracket KIIFB. The third respondent is a special purpose vehicle in bracket SPV for the Cochin Cancer Center project acting on behalf of the first respondent state of Kerala. The petitioner was the successful bidder. The work was awarded for 87,1400 on 13/6/2018. Exhibit P3 agreement with the SPV was signed on 6/8/2018. The WP number 2200/22 work was to be completed within 730 days. The petitioner started the work on 25/7/2018 and had to complete the work by 23/7/2020. The unprecedented floods in the years 2018 and 2019 and the COVID 19 pandemic of 2020 caused hindrance. These, coupled with non payment of pending bills, labor problems, and delay in approval of drawings, made it impossible to complete the work in time. The petitioner has been communicating to the respondents regarding delays occurring at various stages of the work due to unforeseen events as well as for reasons attributable to the third respondent. The petitioner requested for extension of time to complete the work. Thereupon, Exhibit P6 supplemental agreement was executed on 24/9/2020, extending the completion date up to 28/2/2021. Though the petitioner had opposed the time frame, in spite of extension of time, the third respondent did not release pending bills and showed lethargy in the approval of designs and drawings. The continuing threat of COVID-19 pandemic added to the hardship. In spite of all this, the WP number 2200/2021 petitioner proceeded with the work. However, on 26/12/2020, the third respondent issued Exhibit P8 show cause notice alleging that the progress of work is slow. The petitioner submitted Exhibit P9 reply. The petitioner also issued Exhibit P10 letter dated 6/1/2021 to the third respondent raising a dispute and requesting to constitute a dispute redressal committee invoking clause number 25 of Exhibit P4. Without considering the representation of the petitioner, the third respondent issued Exhibit P13 on 18/1/2021, terminating Exhibits P3 and P6 agreements. The petitioner challenges Exhibit P13 order of termination. The third respondent contested the writ petition. The third respondent stated that the delay caused is not due to non-payment of part bills, labor disputes, or delay in providing drawings, etc. The petitioner has been delaying the work from the very beginning. The agreement provided 10 milestones of work. It was a condition that if any milestones is not achieved on the stipulated day, bill amounts will be withheld and paid only after reaching and completing the subsequent milestone. Number 2200 2021 within the respective time limit as per the petitioner failed to complete the work as agreed in Exhibit P3, Exhibit P6. Supplemental agreement was signed extending the period up to 28 to 2021 taking into account COVID-19 pandemic. The petitioner cannot rely on floods for failure to complete work after signing Exhibit P6 complete supplemental agreement. The petitioner was paid 4.36 crores as mobilization advance. The petitioner did not renew bank guarantees execute to secure the mobilization advance after 31 2020. The petitioner was given secured advance of 2,94,471. The delay or withholding of payments is due to non-completion of milestone. An amount of 6,47,049 was paid to the petitioner towards RAB 06 after adjusting the amount to be recovered from the petitioner. RAB 7 is under process due to proof due to poor progress of work. Exhibit P8 show cause notice was issued to the petitioner. As per clause 3 of the General Constitution of Contract, the contract can be terminated if the contractor fails to complete the work on part WPC number 2200 2021 of the work within the respective dates of completion or before the stipulated or extended dates. The petitioner completed only work was poor. The quality of work was also found wanting. Therefore, after considering explanation given by the petitioner, the contract was terminated as Exhibit P13. Exhibit P13 cannot be set aside on all and any of the grounds urged by the petitioner contended the third respondent.